Here, pull the bow off the top.
I know, it doesn't.
There you go. Now you can rip the paper. Summer's opening Santa's present. Go, Summer. Go, Summer. Kayla, you can open Santa's present.
I'm trying to figure this out because I don't know. Yeah, we can try later. Okay?
I can
I don't
make
get
it.
it. Maybe ask them.
You can do it, Summer. You can do it.
Furby!
Whoa, are you excited?
It's cool.
Are you excited?
It's the Furbling app.
Summer, are you excited?
Nope, it's a Furby.
It's a Furby. Does that make you happy?
Yes.
Did you want a Furby?
Okay, I can't open this ribbon. Just pull it up from the top and then the other one will slip off. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but...
It's childproof.
Oh, now I get it. Pretty much childproof.
Cute.
Yay, wave.
You go
That's cute.
So
How she says
soft
that.
feeling.
Let me see. Oh. I mean, that is so adorable.
So soft feeling. Feel how
I know,
soft
right?
that part
It's
is.
so soft.
That is soft.
So soft.
Furby boom.
Is it so soft?
Feel it, Mom.
So soft.
Or they call them boom.
I don't know. No. Because they already have Furby.